Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of gear that has caught our attention, the Elgato Wave3 Premium USB Condenser Microphone. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Elgato Wave3 is designed for anyone looking to elevate their audio game, whether you're streaming, podcasting, gaming, or working from home. This microphone boasts a sleek, modern design that not only looks great on your desk but also delivers studio-quality sound. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Wave3. First up is its Cardioid Condenser Capsule. This feature is crucial for capturing your voice with exceptional clarity and detail, making it perfect for vocal applications. Whether you're speaking directly into the mic during a live stream or recording a podcast episode, you can expect crystal clear audio that ensures your audience hears every word. Another significant feature is the WaveLink app that comes with the microphone. This intuitive software allows you to control the Wave3 along with up to 8 other audio sources, giving you the power to create 2 independent mixes. This is particularly beneficial if you're streaming and want to manage game audio, music, and voice chat separately. The flexibility it offers means you can tailor your audio experience to suit your needs perfectly. Now, let's talk about audio quality. The Wave3 features a 24-bit/96 kHz analog-to-digital converter, which means you're getting professional broadcast audio quality right out of the box. This level of fidelity ensures that your recordings sound polished and professional, a must-have for any content creator. One of the most impressive aspects of the Wave3 is its proprietary Clipguard technology. This innovative feature makes distortion virtually impossible, ensuring that even if you get a little too excited during a recording, your audio remains clean and clear. This is especially important for streamers and podcasters who want to maintain a professional standard without worrying about audio mishaps. In terms of practical use cases, the Elgato Wave3 shines in various scenarios. If you're a gamer, this microphone can enhance your streaming experience significantly, allowing your audience to hear every word you say without missing a beat. For podcasters, it provides the reliability and quality needed to keep your listeners engaged. And if you're working from home, the Wave3 ensures that your virtual meetings and presentations are delivered with the utmost clarity, making communication seamless. The microphone is also incredibly easy to set up. With its plug-and-play feature, you can connect it to your Mac or PC without any complicated installation processes. This means you can focus more on creating and less on troubleshooting. So, who is the Elgato Wave3 suitable for? It's an excellent choice for content creators, gamers, podcasters, and even professionals who require high-quality audio for their work. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this microphone can adapt to your needs and help you produce exceptional audio content. In conclusion, the Elgato Wave3 Premium USB Condenser Microphone combines high-quality sound, user-friendly features, and versatile applications, making it a top choice for anyone serious about their audio. If you're looking to step up your audio game, this microphone might just be what you need.